Hey y'all, just wanted to throw a video on here. My mind's blown. I mean, I released that video the other day about 950 subs in 9 months, and as of December 1st, we hit 1,000. I am so thankful. Thank y'all for supporting me. Thank y'all for supporting us. When we started this adventure, it was April 12th was the first video. And as you can go back and look, you can see that we've got a little bit better at it, and we're going to continue to get better. We can always get better. Turkey season was rough. First 53 videos I recorded and put on YouTube was off an iPhone, which done really good. But I think our turkey hunting will be a lot better. Now, I want to throw out there to the Pioneer ones. I got to look at the analytics today. I'm actually on my lunch break, and I drove the Gator back here to one of our stands that's close to it just to get away for a minute. But the Pioneer people, the women and men that love the Pioneer playlist, that is where a lot of my subscribers come from, and I won't let you down. We're going to do more videos. It's just deer season's here. There'll be a lot more Pioneer videos coming. Looking really forward to turkey season. Looking forward to the rest of this deer season. I've got a lot of subscribers from the DIY stuff, the deer skulls, doing all the backyard processing, backyard butcher shop. So what we're going to do is we're going to focus more from here on out. We made it to the 1,000, set my goal. I actually done it in less than 8 months. I was wrong when I said 950 in 9 months. It's actually 1,012 in less than 8 months. Matter of fact, 12 days shy of 8 months. So thank you very much. I added a new playlist today that'll be DIY how-tos on hunting stuff. It'll be everything from turkey spurs to Euro mounts to whatever, all the DIY stuff we do, from setting tree stands. So there's a new playlist. Y'all go check it out. We're going to try to release at least one video a week. We've got a ton of footage on a video on deer hunting, but we're really wanting to bring you some kills, action, real good content. So anyway, check out the new playlist. We're going to get more serious than what we've been. We're going to try out roll some real good videos. Go get back to videoing this weekend. Yeah, the rut slowed down here in Tennessee, but it's going to pick back up. I got some Pioneer stuff coming up I'm going to do. But we just wanted to throw out here, this is a milestone. This impresses me, and I am so thankful that to each and every one of you that subscribed and hit that like button when you like our stuff, and the people that give us the comments and the feedback. We will continue to get better. We'll continue to bring content, and we're going to, continue to roll this footage out. So once again, from all of us at Piney Life, we really appreciate it and thank you. We're going to get back at it, and as always, God bless. See you on the next video.